Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX and Dow Jones. This is the daily close. We're gonna see what do we have. Very nice confirmation for higher taken directly as expected here. That because we are looking to those scenarios that we mentioned. Of course, I'm not totally blinded with the bearish. We already mentioned that we have to be careful. We're still in a potential triangle, for example, first thing. And second thing, which is higher probability even, is the ending diagonal wave 5, meaning wave 3 is unfolding toward the upside very, very likely here. Potentially 30K or 31K, I would say, can be very likely taken. So what we got right now is an A, B, and a C. The wave B is very, very shallow, even like barely the 0.23 here taken. So we are looking for something to push for higher, definitely over there. After we took the 886, we have mentioned, of course, probability is very, very low for double one two. So this scenario is totally gone right now after the confirmation. We are looking for wave 3, 31K here, and 31.2K for a wave 3 in an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But of course, watch out with the triangle as well, which I kind of like doubt it because, again, it's a very low probability because if you are in triangle, that means it's a large sideways correction. And that should alternate somewhere here. And where is the alternation? That's horrible, right? So this wave 4 here can still be perfectly alternating with this wave 2. So that's totally fine. And then, of course, this is your ending diagonal unfolding as highest probability. So this is regarding Nasdaq. Very nice move here for SPX. We are looking also at something pushing toward the upside. 886 taken. Of course, it's a little bit delayed from Nasdaq, but we still got the 886, meaning very likely that we continue the push toward the upside. 7K 600 and 7K 650. Very likely to be taken as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Again, of course, can be also a triangle, so we don't want to forget. So it's almost the same probabilities with a Nasdaq, but I cannot find any alternation for such a long triangle in the lows here for wave 2. Therefore, highest probabilities. This is your wave 4 finished as alternation, and we push here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside here. Next target is 7K 600 at least. Finally, Dow Jones as well. Dow Jones already showing a lot of strength here, and I mentioned this before. Like, be careful, we might not even start to test our areas there because I see a lot of signals of strength here, also 5 ways up. But yeah, I mean, here, if this is your 1, 2, it's still very possible and likely to have. But we have to watch here another key level or testing area, which is your perfect fib level. Once we take the 886, that would be your confirmation that, yeah, we're looking for something very impulsive toward the upside. I would say the wave 2 finished over there. This is the testing area where we would like to see for a wave 2, and it's done. We're not having any expanding flat there. So the ABC, I'm going to remove this. So basically that means you are on double 1, 2, 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, 5, or finally looking for a diagonal, meaning this ending diagonal can still look for one more high here in a wave 5 before we drop down, meaning wave 5 can be very likely extending as 5 waves to finish a wave 1 over there. And then we start again with our testing areas in case, of course, this is going to happen. I'm going to keep only the large expanding flat as an A, B, and a C, since it can still be possible. But basically, I'm going to watch this area. 886 is our key level. Green flag. I know it's a hard trade here, guys, because you are already at the top. But a very important, by the way, a very important key level. Let me push the wave 5 diagonal. There you are. Now, what is very important to mention here is the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, because once you take this, the wave 5 becomes longer than the wave 3. And guess what? It's a confirmation even for higher prices. And that means if the price continue, take the first pre-confirmation. Here we go. This one is pre-confirmation. Now we have a larger or higher confirmation for a massive wave 3. And that means once you take the 1-to-1 fib level, the wave 5 becomes longer than wave 3, not allowed in diagonal, meaning this is a 1-2-1-2, the only bullish probability that we have, meaning the wave 3 is going to unfold for higher, and we're talking about 1.618, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, meaning very, very high, guys. So we're still looking for something extending here. That was it for the US stock indices, Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.